Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zima. You can also call me the cyber queen in the making. In my last video, I talked about how I intend to transition from external audit into cybersecurity. I also mentioned that I'll be carrying out a lot of researches to be able to build a roadmap that will help me navigate this journey. Because I don't have any background in tech, you can check the description for the link to that video. Based on the research I've done so far, I discovered that cybersecurity is actually a very broad field and has several domains. So today in this video, we're talking about the different domains in cybersecurity. CISSP group divided cybersecurity into 8 main domains, which include security and risk management, asset security, security architecture and engineering, communication and network security, identity and access management, security assessment and testing, security operation, software development, security. But that's actually very technical for someone like me who is just trying to find my footing in cybersecurity. So I did further research, and I discovered that for me to be able to understand cybersecurity, maybe in simple terms, there is actually a color wheel, and which is called the cybersecurity color wheel. And this will help us to have a better understanding of the various domains in cybersecurity and how various teams work together to help protect an organization from attacks. So I'll be talking about the color wheels and the responsibility of each team within this color wheel. So this color wheel contains different colors. It has the blue team, it has the red team, the yellow team, the orange team, the green team, and the white team. So I'm talking about each of these teams, what they do and their responsibility, and also the key roles within these various teams. So come along with me as we talk about the various teams in cybersecurity. So we'll be starting off with the blue team, which is also called the defensive security team. The blue team, they're responsible for protecting an organization from attackers, and they're majorly responsible for security monitoring, incident response, threat detection, vulnerability management, endpoint protection, and security operations center. And major roles within the blue team include the security analyst, the SOC analyst, incident responder, security engineer. Then we have the red team. They also call the offensive team. They act as the devil advocate by stimulating cyber attacks, right, to identify weaknesses within the organization before the actual attackers do. They are responsible for ethical hacking, penetration testing, social engineering, adversary simulation, vulnerability exploitation. And common roles within the red team includes ethical hacker, penetration tester, red team operator. Then we have the purple team. The purple team are also called the collaboration team. They act as bridge between the blue team and the red team, and they are responsible for validating security controls, improve detection capability, share attack findings, and also strengthen defensive mechanism. They act as the translators and the coordinators between the attackers and the defenders. Then we have the yellow team. The yellow team, they build secure software and systems, and they are responsible for secure coding, application security, software architecture, development, security operations. And typical roles within the yellow team include software developer, security developer, development, security operations engineer. We also have the green team. The green team are the security automation and engineering team. They improve security through automation and engineering. They are responsible for security automation, security tool development, cloud security engineering, infrastructure as code, and also security orchestration. And typical roles within the green team include security automation engineer, cloud security engineer, and also development security operations specialist. Then we move to the orange team. The orange team, also called the security awareness and education team. They create awareness about cybersecurity within an organization. They also educate employees about cybersecurity, what they need to do to ensure that an organization is properly or appropriately protected from attacks. They are responsible for security awareness training, phishing simulations, employee education, security communications. And typical roles within the orange team include security awareness manager, cybersecurity trainer, and human risk analyst. Then finally we have the white team. They are also called the Governance, Risks and Compliance Team, GRC. And the team is responsible for ensuring the cybersecurity aligns with the business objectives, regulations, and risk appetite. They are the strategists and the rule makers within the cybersecurity team in an organization. They are responsible for cyber security governance, compliance, risk management, policy development, third-party risk management, cybersecurity audits. Now, typical roles within the white team includes cyber risk manager, the GRC manager, IT auditor, information security manager, and compliance manager. So these are the various domains in cybersecurity. In my next video, I'll share with you the domain that appeals the most to me, and also the courses that I'll be pursuing in that domain. Please, like I mentioned in my last video, if you're already within the cybersecurity space, you can leave a comment for me. You can share your story, the roadmap that you adopted, or you can also share your story with us, because I believe there are a couple of people like me who are trying to find their footings in cybersecurity. So your story, your roadmap, your guidance will go a long way in helping us navigate this journey and achieve this goal. So thank you everyone for staying with me to the end of this video. See you in my next video where I share my progress on how I achieve this goal. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your support. See you in my next video. Bye bye.